How to find the best niche for your YouTube channel. Finding the right niche for your YouTube channel is an important step in creating a successful and engaging channel. Here are some tips to help you find the best niche for your YouTube channel. Consider your interests and passions. What do you enjoy talking about or creating content about? Choose a niche that aligns with your interests, as it will be easier for you to create content consistently and authentically. Research your competition. Look at other popular channels in your chosen niche and see what they are doing well. Identify any gaps in the content they are producing and consider how you can differentiate your channel by filling those gaps. Analyze the demand for content in your niche. Look at search trends and see if there is a demand for content in your chosen niche. You can use tools like Google Trends to see how popular certain topics are. Identify your target audience. Who do you want to reach with your channel? Consider the demographics, interests, and needs of your target audience when choosing a niche. Keep your niche specific. While it's okay to have a broad theme for your channel, it's important to narrow it down to a specific niche to help you stand out and attract a dedicated audience. By considering your interests,